Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today I am going to show you guys how can you change your screen timeout in your Realme phone. Guys, you want to change guys your screen timeout in your Realme phone, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in a Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So guys, now let's start the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your screen timeout, then guys scroll and guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll it, then guys you can see your auto screen off means guys screen timeout. So guys tap here, or you can see guys there are screen timeout 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 50 seconds. So example guys, we'll click on the 15 second and guys how can you use your screen timeout setting guys, wait and watch. So as your phone screen is on and guys after 15 seconds guys your phone screen will off automatic guys, wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video. And guys you have doubt in your Realme phone, so as you can ask me in comment section guys, you can see your phone screen off. So I hope friends you have understood how to change the screen timeout in Realme phone. So that's it guys, bye.